this one is also a useful one that I have also used frequently, which is IQ hashtag search. So let's click on the details for this. So let's try to. This one is also created by the same name. It's also IQ hashtags. This will enable you to create a design, and then if you want, let's type in on the right side. Let's type in gradients, and it will generate hashtags for you, which is determined by what type of relationship. For example, if you want to use the related option, let's click on search, and it will generate to you lots and lots of hashtags. If you're like in social media, let's say let's click on art, abstract, digital art, and after that, after you have click on the necessary hashtags that you want, you can just easily copy this. And I'm just going to use the text option so you could see on my end that I have copy and paste this. All of that options here, I'm just going to paste this here, and all of that is already been input as a hashtag for you to use on your next post. I'm just pasting it here so you can just use this to generate hashtags more easily. Okay, I'm just going to delete this, and that's IQ hashtag search.